this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change stadium on FIFA Mobile. So without any further delay, let's get on with the video. Open your FIFA Mobile application on your mobile device and log into your account as well. Once you're in this main homepage, tap on the store button at the bottom right. Now select the event shop button at the top and tap on stadium on the left hand side menu. Stadiums can be bought with two things: stadium token and gem. Go ahead and select one of the stadium you'd like to change to and tap on it. Once you get to this page, you'll be able to see two options at the bottom. If you select the first option, you need to purchase your stadium with stadium token. If you have enough currency, you can get on and buy it with your stadium token. But if you don't have it, you can go ahead and spend gem by tapping on the next option. Once you go ahead and select the gem option, tap on this tap to open button and tap on continue. Now go ahead and start a match and tap on this home stadium button. Select the stadium from this page. Now this one's the stadium that I have previously purchased. Once you get onto it, tap on select, then tap on the play button to play the match. And that is how you'll be able to change stadium in FIFA Mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.